Only if my screen is being shared. Let me in the application which you want to share. Okay. Sorry guys. Let me just share my screen. Okay. Share sound and okay. Yeah. I think this is good. All right. So starting afresh. Guys, welcome. Now I just needed to be sure that I'm sharing my screen properly, right? Now here's the thing here. So here is the thing. Now it's just like kind of clear. Alright, I was just trying to fix up this whole Zoom thing. This is like first time in months opening Zoom, trying to check the experience, right? Now, from the daily chart on BTC, I called this long BTC entry market, SL, and all of that. Now, why did I call this trade? It was very, very simple. Now, we know that BTC has been on a bullish run for the longest since the start of the year. So it has been bullish to an extent. Now it's rallied to create a new all-time high after the 110 100 110k 699 all-time high created created this all-time high in the month of May, 22nd day of May 2025. So it created this after ranging for about a week plus. It gave this breakout and created an all-time high at 123k. Now I had to take out my Fibonacci tool, swing low, swing high, and I saw this rejection. Meanwhile, I had a buy I posted few days back prior to this trade I shared now. Now, this trade was taken from this point, trying to get, okay, this trade was taken from this point. It was a quick sniper from this point to this point, did about 1:2. I was targeting this area here for take profit, not forgetting that BTC was on a range. So how did I get this trade? I used the ICT concept. This was a liquidity zone here. This is the gap, and price came here into this fair value gap, mitigated this fair value gap, and then it had not come to the OB to tap the OB and rally. So immediately it came into the OB, it tapped it and rallied. I shared the trade too. So it's just like having clarity in what you're doing. Now back to what we're saying, right? After seeing this break, I saw this BTC break to the downside. All right, it happened I think on Thursday night of Thursday. So BTC broke out. All right, BTC broke out and then came down to this point. And I just used my tool as of yesterday evening to get the swing high, swing low, and I saw it was reacting to the 50% fib level. Now I had to just go to my lower time frame, 4 hours. I went to the 4 hours time frame. I saw the candlestick confirmation, giving me the readiness for this price to break above this range and clear. It was, let's say, it's accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution to the upside. And probably we're going to see BTC get to 126, 130, and 150k by next month, hopefully. So I marked out this my support level, which price broke. Now, on break and retest, price is supposed to break the zone, retest here to make the sell more valid so that we could see a push to 110, BTC to 110K, but that did not happen. Now, this morning star candle confirmation closed right above the zone. Now, it got a retest of the 4 hours down into this 50% fib area and created what a minor two-touch trend line. Now, I saw this trend line, I saw this confirmation. This candle, 4-hour candle with close with an engulfing was printing. I saw this and I said, okay, BTC might be ready for buys. I scaled down to the lower time frame. I saw confirmations that allowed me to call this trade. So I was just waiting for the 4-hour candle to close with 45 minutes in time. And after the close, it was bullish. And then, I said, okay, hold. So I'm expecting price to get to 118K. And then, the the guys that took the trade will break even. But it will be wise enough to break even now because price does not have a good momentum push to the upside. I was expecting price should already be at 118K by now. Though it has given us 100 pips move to the upside, and we are risking 200 pips on this, almost 200, 199, 194 pips. So at 100, it's not a bad idea to break even since we are halfway up on our risk. You just break even and leave the trade to see if we get this rally push to the upside. So that is that on BTC USD, right? Now, the crypto market is something that you just find, pride, rather you find joy in, just venturing into. It is easy. It's not that tough. Now let's just look at Ethereum for the. Let's just look at Ethereum at USDT, right? I can't remember calling this trade though. Sell Ethereum. Okay, this hit stop loss. All right, this trade hit stop loss actually. Now I was trying to short Ethereum. This short that happened here, right after it rallied and created a doji, created an engulfing. Just take the trade here and sell it to the downside to this support. Now this trade kicked us out, and it was a quick one. Yeah, I called the trade in about 10 minutes. It kicked us out, so I just left it alone and be like, okay, it's not ready yet. But you know what? Let's just clean this chart up, right? Or rather, what are we gonna do? Let's uh, use another chart. Yeah, let's use coin Bitstamp. Am I using Bitstamp already? Okay, let's use Coinbase. All right. Now, first things first, I just like my analysis from the highest of time frames to give me more clarity. So Ethereum is definitely rallying to the upside, right? And then the 6 month candle closed about here